Hello, friends. This is Hadi Atai at Bite of Iran. Today I have a special treat for you an exclusive behind the scenes look at a Qalamkar factory in a small village near Isfahan, Iran. This is my own footage and I'm thrilled to share it with you. Qalamkar is a centuries old Persian textile art form where intricate designs are hand stamped onto fabric using beautifully carved wooden blocks. The process begins with skilled artisans dipping these hand carved wooden blocks into natural dyes. Each block is carefully aligned and stamped onto the fabric, layer by layer, creating mesmerizing patterns that have been passed down through generations. This technique demands incredible precision. The patterns must align perfectly across large sheets of fabric, and the artisans often memorize hundreds of intricate designs to ensure every piece is flawless. Once the stamping is complete, the fabric is left to dry under the sun before being washed to see the vibrant colors. Some pieces even undergo additional dyeing process to deepen and enrich their hues. The result is a stunning masterpiece of Persian craftsmanship, each piece unique, each pattern telling a story of heritage, tradition, and artistry. I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek into the world of Qalamkar. If you'd like to see the full process and learn even more about this incredible art form, make sure to watch the rest of the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Bite of Iran for more cultural adventures. Thank you for watching.
رو پن گذاشتم خب رو پن گذاشتم قیمت چند زنگ بذاره پرشن گرفته بودن
پنجشنبه اومدن نهار بودن
گذاشتم از اینجاش بزنم همش گوش بزنم